Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist in private practice from the last 15 years and I work in Bengaluru. Our used products, as long as we do not have an infection, do not carry a chance of virus in them. So if you have got some used lipstick and if you have suffered from coronavirus infection, it is very sure, please dispose of them in a safe manner, and you can dispose them in the biohazard units which are there in the hospitals. Or if you do not have an infection and you have used cosmetics, these are not at all potential sites of infection. However, cosmetic stores, please do not use the products which are there, which are kept as a display. Please do not use them, as these are going to be potential sites of infection of corona, especially through big stores or in airports. There could be potential infection in the open pots or in the shared tubes of lipstick which we use as testers. So please do not use them. But however, if they are your own and you have been using them, unless you have an infection, you don't have to throw away your cosmetics. I hope this has been adequately clear.